Hi, I'm Angel with fleecefun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute knit midi skirt. It's fun, it's fast, it's comfortable, and I have to say it's a pretty awesome, easy pattern. For this project, you will need the following.
You will need 1 yard of jersey knit fabric with a 50% stretch, sewing essentials like pins, needles, thread, that sort of thing.
All right, once you've gathered up all those materials, it's time to get started. Now, normally I just say sewing essentials and we move on, but I want to make sure that you understand when you're working with knits, one of those sewing essentials is a ballpoint needle. So important for success when you're working with knits. Make sure that you have it. They're not that expensive. Also, when we're finishing up the hem, I'm using a double needle, and you know, while it's not something you might use a lot, it makes that edge look so beautiful and so professional. Definitely worth learning how to use a double needle. All right, let's get sewing.
You will need to assemble the free sewing pattern. Select the size that you want to sew and cut the pattern down to that size. It correlates with color. Make sure that when you're cutting out the pattern, most of the stretch is going across the skirt and the waistband. On the fold, cut 2 of the midi skirt bottom. On the fold, cut 1 of the waistband. With the right sides together, sew the sides of the midi skirt using a 3/8 seam allowance. Be sure to use a stretch stitch. For best results, sew from the top of the skirt to the bottom.
All right, now that we've sewn the sides of the skirt, let's work on the waistband.
Fold the waistband in half so the shoulder sides are touching, right sides together, and sew.
All right, now it's time to bring the waistband and the skirt together. Make sure that you line up that seam on the waistband with one of the side seams of the skirt.
Get the skirt and the waistband. Leave the skirt inside out. Take the waistband top, fold it down so it touches the bottom, folding it in half, making it so the fabric is right side out on the outer band and inner band. Place the band inside the skirt, lining up the raw edges of the bottom of the band with the raw edges of the top of the skirt. Line up the seam of the waistband to one of the side seams of the skirt. Sew together using a 3/8 seam allowance.
All right, let's just hem up the bottom and we're almost there.
Fold at the bottom of the skirt 1 inch, press, and then pin. Turn right side out. Top stitch the hem in place with the double needle. You just finished the girls' skirt pattern tutorial.
And that's it. You have this really cute and comfortable midi skirt. It's a great skirt for girls. My little girl who has sensory issues loves this skirt. She has been wearing it and wearing it. I actually need to make her another one because the other one is constantly in the wash.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one.
Have a great day. Remember, velvet is pretentious, fleece is fun. Also, be sure to check out all my free patterns. I actually have a whole page of skirt patterns for you to look at that you might enjoy, and many of them come with a video tutorial just like this one. Also, I have hat patterns and bow patterns, all kinds of things on the website, so be sure to check me out there. Also, let me know in the comments below. There's so many cute jersey knit patterns out there. What's your favorite kind of pattern? And just what do you like to work with? Let me know in the comments below.